Hi, my name is Jim, and today I'm installing an S9 vertical antenna, and I want to show how easy it is to do. First thing I've done is I've got an 1.5-inch galvanized steel pipe that was 48 inches long, and I drove that into the ground until only 15 inches of it was left out. Now I'm going to assemble the antenna and show you how easy it is to put it up in the air. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is unpack the kit. It comes nicely assembled in a plastic case. The wire on the outside goes up the inside of the antenna, and the end it's held on with a piece of nice Velcro strapping. The very first thing you do, download the instructions off the internet. Read the instructions. Read them twice. It will help you very much to know what these instructions say. Follow the instructions, it's all easy. Okay, the first thing you do is you unpack it out of the plastic casing and take the wire and run it out straight away from the end of the antenna, which I've already done. And next you take off the caps and you begin assembling the antenna. The next thing to do is to extend the antenna. What we have to do is take the wire that comes out of the back of the stack and push it forward. When we do that, the very top section will extend out of the mast hole. From this point on, it's simply extending the antenna sections until the holes meet. The first section has no extra holes for a screw to hold it down, so I just pulled it out and twisted it till it got stuck. The next section has a little hole in it. I don't know if you can see that, but I need to find the matching hole. Okay, there's the mark. See, there's a little mark. So there's a little mark right there, and there's the hole to match it. Extend all the rest of them out until all the sections are pulled out. One other little note is when you are extending the sections, certain sections take more than one screw. In those sections, the alignment mark belongs on the side where the dot is, and that way both holes will align for you. The next thing we do now that the antenna is fully extended is to install these small screws that keep the antenna sections from slipping down. They're very small, so be careful, don't lose them in the grass. All you need to do is put them in pretty far, but don't do them too hard or you'll crack your fiberglass shell. Once all the sections are extended and you have your screws in to lock the tubes in place, put the black plastic cap on the tip just to top it off. Okay, so now we're nearly done, but we have to catch the wire from inside the tube with this handy dandy, really cool hook tool that comes along with the kit. I've never done this yet, so I might have to fish around for a while, so let's see what happens. I can hear it. No, not quite. I see it. Okay, so now I have it up, and if you read the instructions, if I can get it just a little bit through the hole, my goodness, there we go. You don't want to pull on the front section, you want to pull only on the back section. There's a little bit of slack on the front, but if you pull too hard on it, I think it disconnects it from the tip. Okay, so now that part is done. Okay, so the antenna is assembled, it's done on the ground, and everything is all set. So now all I have to do is raise it. Since I'm doing this by myself and this is a tall antenna, I've put in a tent stake in front of the pole so that way I have something to back up into. So this is the first time I've done this, so let's see how well this goes. There we go. Getting me? Mm-hmm. So now I have it vertical, and I use the tent stake to hold it down. So I'm just going to pick it up. It doesn't weigh very much. It's actually very, very light. And then with my luck, it's all full of mud. There we go. It could be muddy where you are too. Try to get it perfectly straight so I don't crack my face. And there we go. And that is all it takes to raise it. Now what I need to do is just tape down the wire, attach my coax and my ground radials, and it's all done. So there it is. 43-foot, 44-foot tall antenna, stands on its own. Only took me, I don't know, maybe half an hour to put it all together. So I hope this is helpful.